Hello friends, welcome to the channel Solution. Today in this video we will tell you how to prepare Vicks like vapour and also the role of each ingredient used in this vapour preparation. Let's start the practical. Here we have taken 20 gram of petroleum jelly and then transfer this petroleum jelly into the china dish. You can also use Vaseline in place of petroleum jelly, which is easily available in the market. Next, we have to melt the petroleum jelly. For this, keep this china dish onto the water bath. On boiling water bath, petroleum jelly will melt after a few minutes on heating. Here you can see that petroleum jelly is completely get melt and converted into the liquid form. Now remove the china dish from the water bath and then add camphor into it. Here we have weighed and added about 1 gram of camphor and then mix it properly with the help of glass rod to dissolve the camphor into petroleum jelly. Then what is the role of camphor in this Vicks vapour? Means camphor containing products when rubbed on the skin, hence on topical application, relieve pain and reduce itching. Means camphor act as a counter irritant. Counter irritant means camphor reduces the pain and swelling by causing irritation. And we are adding next ingredient into the liquid mixture, that is menthol. Here we have taken 0.6 gram of menthol and then break the menthol with the help of glass rod and then mix to dissolve the menthol completely into the liquid mixture. This menthol is a good nasal decongestant, means it relieves from the nasal congestion. After menthol, next we have to add turpentine oil. Here we have taken 1 ml of turpentine oil with the help of pipette, means about 20 drops of turpentine oil. Turpentine oil is also used as a counter irritant and it is also used as expectorant and in the treatment of chronic bronchitis. Turpentine oil is also used as a nasal decongestant, means it helps to reduce the congestion. After turpentine oil, next we have to add eucalyptus oil. Here we have taken about 0.5 ml of eucalyptus oil with the help of pipette and then transfer it into the china dish. Means about 10 drops of eucalyptus oil you have taken. Eucalyptus oil is used as a counter irritant and it is also used to relieve cough and also in chronic bronchitis in the form of inhalation. Solution of eucalyptus oil is used as a nasal drop and it also used as an expectorant. After adding all the ingredients into the petroleum jelly, then mix it properly with the help of glass rod. After mixing, then you can transfer this preparation into the container in which we want to store this preparation. Transfer this preparation into the container when it is in the liquid form, because it will be easy for us to transfer the preparation when it is in the liquid form into the container. Now keep this preparation aside for few minutes so that the preparation which is in the liquid form will get converted into the semi-solid form at room temperature. After cooling, here you can see that our liquid preparation is now converted into semi-solid form. Now our preparation is ready, means our vapour is ready to apply. This video is also available in Hindi explanation. Link is given in the description box. Thank you very much for watching this video.